So we saved our CSV file here. Now, as I was mentioning that we will go to this software server. I will close the previous file. So I will open this software. So it's a trial period. So I will continue my trial, close. So what I will do, I will go to grids and then I will go to grid data and make sure that this kriging option is selected here. So I will browse my CSV file, which is there here in the tutorial, contour, open, finish. So basic contour map is generated, and this file is actually a gridding report showing heights of the points, latitude and longitude. So I will save this file again in the same folder where I am working, my tutorial folder. So I will save this file there. I will minimize this one. So here I have this contour map. I will assign coordinates. I will go to the coordinate system. I will assign coordinates, predefined geographical coordinate system, and then at the end I will go to WGA is 1984. You can also add it to my favorites. Then I select. So you see here I have selected WGS 1984. I can also go to the levels here. For example, the contours intervals are 0.5 feet. So contours are changing after these intervals. So I can increase this interval also to 1. So we can see. So I think 0.5 is better. And also I can ask the software to fill this with colors. Like for example, if I click on fill contours, so here basically it's a kind of valley, because whenever the value of the contours is decreasing at a certain point, like from high value to low value, then it shows it's a kind of valley. So I can also select different colors, for example like this, and whenever we go close to the sea, you see the height is continuously decreasing. So I'm just making some rough things, but you can do it in a much better way. It all depends upon the lines, that snake type lines that I have drawn in Google Earth. You need to draw those lines carefully. So similarly, I can ask the software to show labels. So here we can see the labels. So, and also I can remove this, and I have the labels and everything. So like these are the different things in the software. So I will export this file from here. So as a Google Earth KML file, I will name this file contours for GIS. Contours for GIS. So please make sure you save everything in the same folder where you're working. So when I click on save, it asks for various options. So in order to work in GIS, you will go to this option, and now this is important. I will tell you which options are important in order to save your work in GIS. Let me just check, please. So in order to work, like use these files in GIS, you need to put this option, export as placemark. It's already there, but for the marker options, you need to select export as placemark, pins, export as rendered curve areas. The third one is the same, and the fourth one is also the same. So you select these options, you click OK. So now we can see that this KML file is saved with the name contours for GIS. So I will open this file and I will check. I will open my Google Earth. I will close the previous file. I will open it again so that it doesn't get confused with GIS when we save the data in the new file. Just waiting for the file to get open. So here is our Google Earth. So what I will do, I will open this contours for GIS file here on Google Earth. So we can see various points and these snakes on our site. So I will just remove these snakes. So here we can see this is our site. So what will be the next step? We only want to use this file, not any other thing in GIS. That's why I will just do it once again. I will right click, I will go to save to my places. Sorry, save place as. I will go to save place as, then I will go to desktop, I will go to my folder, I will go to tutorial, then I will name it this KML as contours for GIS_1. This is the file that we will be using, not this one. This is the file that we will be using in GIS. Now this is the file that has been created. Now I will open our GIS.